Hello everybody, it is me, Edge, back with another unboxing video, and today we are unboxing the Elgato Stream Deck Mini. That's right. You know, I actually used to have one of these Elgato Stream Decks. It was actually the original one that had the foldable stand and all that, but I decided to sell it because I found that I never used it. And y'all might be wondering, why'd you buy another one then? And that's a good question. Now, y'all might notice by my most recent unboxing videos that I'm not too good with money. But yeah, there was like a Amazon Prime Day sale of this one, so I'm like, 30 bucks cheaper, why not buy it, you know? So that's what we're at right now. But let's not waste no more time and go ahead and get to the unboxing. So first things first, let's go ahead and do a little overview of the box. So as you can see, this is the front, looking real nice and clean, you know. It's actually crazy. I've been looking at Elgato's products for a very long time. I'm not sponsored by them, you know. They should sponsor me, but I'm not sponsored by them. And it's funny how much their brand has changed over the years, and it's just so many things, you know. They've definitely grown a lot, though. I think they're owned by Corsair now. Let's go ahead and do a little thing. So we have all of the sizes, weights, keys. There's a little information, everything it works for, you know, mostly for streamers. I mean, I know there's some other people who just pick this up just to have it for like shortcuts on their PC and all that. That's the top, and then that's the bottom. You know, nothing too crazy on the outside of the box. But let's go ahead and open up the box. Can we get a... Oh, dang, no, we can't let that slide. There we go, there we go. You know, he's a little bit sluggish these days, but just probably need some more oil in this thing. How do you open this? Oh yeah, there we go. All right, but yeah, I'm probably gonna use this for my streams. If y'all don't know, I do stream on my other channels and on Twitch. It's in the description if y'all want to check me out. It's all good if y'all don't, though. Y'all are here for the unboxing, you know. Let's go ahead and open this thing up, though. But yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna use this for, is just shortcuts on my computer. All right, yeah. All right, here we go. Oh, well, that's nice. I don't get how this can already be torn when I'm the first one to open it, but shout out Elgato. No, I'm joking. Let's go ahead and set this box to the side. So here it is. You know, the original Stream Deck, I mean, I guess this is a mini, but the original Stream Deck had a much nicer box, I will say. Let's go ahead and open this up. So we have a little quick start guide. Just instructions, you know, plug it in, get the app, yada yada, you know, these things. So we'll set that aside, and then we have a little user's manual, I guess, or warranty, something like that. Ooh, that looks pretty nice. Does feel the same as the original. How is there a better way of opening this, or am I just supposed to pull it out? Alright, I guess we're just gonna bend all this cardboard. I'm pretty sure that's not the way you... Yeah, that is definitely not the way you were supposed to do that. We'll just go ahead and mess up the box, you know. I can't sell it again when I get bored of it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut to me opening this up because it might take a while. Okay, maybe the best way was to pull from there. I don't even know. Let's just pull out everything. Real smooth. Oh, that is actually really nice build quality. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that down. Is there anything else in here? No, just a little bundle of cardboard. All right, we'll set that aside, set these aside, and take a look at this. So the original, like I said, I did have the original, was a metal build, and this one seems to be a metal build. It's actually funny that this tiny little thing actually feels like it's almost the same weight as that original one. And something they've done with the most recent Stream Decks is they've actually put this little thing on it. I don't know if you can remove this, but with the classic one, it was just, you know, the deck, and you could take it off this little foldable thing that could go flat, and you could like adjust the heights and all that. But now they have these solid sort of stands, and I personally like that. I think the stand on the classic one was a little bit cheap, not cheap, a little bit cheap feeling. And this feels like it has a pretty nice build quality to it, and it probably lets you fit a lot more stuff in there. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at this thing some more. So, has a basic USB little connection. You know, I wouldn't be surprised if in the near future these switch to USB-C. You know, knowing my luck, it would probably be like in the next few months that this thing goes to a USB-C. But yeah, this thing, let's take a closer look. Looks pretty nice. So this is like a matte finish. This is all metal. I know it might not sound like that, but this part right here is metal, and then this is plastic. That feels pretty solid though. You know, it might be a plastic cover over some more metal inside of there. Yeah, that's what this is looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this into my computer and download the software, and then I'll show y'all what that looks like. So yeah, I'll see you there. Alright guys, it's been about an hour and I finally have all the buttons set up as well as the Stream Deck, and I have all my buttons here. They're not the most exciting, but they're what I want, so that's all that matters, I guess. So I have this button right here, which turns on both of my lights right there, and then you just click it again to do that. And then I have this button right here. This will just mute my mic. This is that mic right there, and you just toggle that unmute and mute type stuff. And then we have a YouTube button right there, so that opens up my channel. And then we have a Twitch button. Sorry, it's not focusing. You click that, takes me to my channel. Y'all get the point. And then that's just a record button and a stream button. And I have these set to a long hold, so you don't accidentally click it, and then you know you're live, and then you're naked or something. No, but yeah, I have all the buttons set up. They're probably gonna be changing in the future. I just did this for the video mostly, but there it is. It's pretty. It's you know, one thing I actually do have to say is I don't know if you would say the resolution, but I'd say the resolution or the pixel count is a lot greater on the newer one than it was on my Stream Deck when I had the classic one. So there's a little fun fact for y'all. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the unboxing. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And it's been Edge. Peace out.